Okay, now we're back looking at our business card, and we know talking about saving this in different file formats. And really, one of the best ways that you can save this for sending to a printing company, to an online printing company, typically they're going to want either a PDF format, and PDF stands for Portable Document Format, or as a JPEG file. But if you want to get the best quality from your type in Photoshop, you need to create it as a PDF. Now, right now we have this file in a TIFF format, and if we save it as a JPEG format, it's going to look similar. But when I zoom in on the type, for example, you can see the type here is very jagged. It's what we call, it's pixelated. You can see the little pixels that are actually making up the type in this case. And so if I were just to make even a TIFF file or a JPEG file, and I sent that to a printer, the type would actually be jagged or pixelated. And really, you want to have the best quality that you can get when having this card printed. And so what you would need to do is actually save this as a PDF. Again, we've already had our bleed built in, which is what our printer is going to require. And so we're going to, under File, I'm going to say Save As. We want to save it as a different file format. And again, this brings up our Save As dialog box. And down here in Format, we're going to click on that, the drop down, and save it as a Photoshop PDF. And I'm going to say Save. And I've already got one on the desktop. I'm going to say Replace that. You can usually ignore these settings right here. I just click right through that. It's going to make a high quality print. You want to make sure you have a high quality file that you're sending to your printer. So make sure it's set for high quality print. And a lot of these other things over here are going to be fine. So as long as you have high quality print in your Save Adobe PDF dialog box, you're going to be fine. We'll say Save PDF. And we'll say Preserve all that. And it's making a PDF file of this right now. Okay, so I'm going to minimize this file, and now I'm going to bring up the actual PDF that I made. And actually that's going to open up in a different program. It's going to open up in an Adobe Acrobat. This is usually a program that you're already going to have on your computer, or most people are going to have on their computers. But a portable document format file is one that can be readily opened by anyone. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom in on some of this type now. Let's kind of show you what's going on. For example, right here on the Mario, you can see how crisp the edge of that type is. Before it was very jagged. And I want to show you why that is jagged there. But I'm going to come down here to the type that we have. And remember before when I zoomed up on that, I'm going to zoom a little bit more. And move that up. And now you can see that that type is very crisp, and that's really what you want. And so, again, saving as a PDF, in most cases, is going to enable you to keep very crisp capabilities or look of your type. Now, up here, as you notice, let me drag this down here. And we have the Mario. As you can see, the Mario is still jagged. Why is that? Well, the reason is because that particular font in Photoshop did not have a bold version of that font, and so I had to create, in essence, a fake version of that. And so that is why that is still jagged in this case. So you would actually have to use an actual bold version of the font when you're saving a PDF for that to actually be nice and crisp. So again, saving your file as a PDF will enhance the output quality of that file, and it will be perfect for the printer that you're sending this to. So again, that is saving it as a PDF format.